Hello. I just started uploading my founder analysis video, and while that's cooking, I thought we should do this. So this is my trading this week, and we had this oil trade, and you can see the screenshot here, and you can see this is when I took it. Initially, I had to stop here, but then I updated to put it on this high, and here are all the trades, and you can see that I just deleted it. So you can see this is all the trades. And I moved my take profit up when I managed it, but the original take profit would have been hit anyway, so whatever. And here we are, and I'm long on NASDAQ, so there you go. Might scale in 2 more positions if we get below this low here. So now you know that if you're watching this video. So you have to watch this video, guys, if you want to get some special insights. If you're not paying me, you can see the trades I took here, but it might be 10-20 minutes delay for this particular entry here. And I want to go through what has happened. So obviously the dollar TVC was closed, and we have this colossal fucking thing here. But I think you guys remember I drew an arrow and I've been bearish, and what has it been doing? Going lower. And that also explains why I have taken a short, right? Hopefully it's a short. Long on euro. So I've taken a long on euro, which is a short on dollar, right? And so far we have one take profit that has hit, and I suspect we could see higher, but it's a little 50-50 at this point, but I'm leaving the trade as it is. And we also had on the 17th, oh, this time it was a short. Okay, never mind. Fuck that. Anyway, so I'm bearish on that, and nothing has really changed except it's a little low probability. Euro, you can see I had my trades, they're still running here. I'm just gonna manage the stop loss as it is here. And the pound, yeah, looks like that. We have the higher high taken on pound, so I was right about that. I would have preferred to have been long on the pound in retrospect, but I still think we got some juice left. I think the risk reward is good at this point. Let me put it like that. I might have exited at a higher price, and I still might, but we'll see. So we will see. And gold, I am still looking for higher prices. Nothing has changed here. These arrows are the same as the last video. And for oil, I shared my shorts, but I still think this can happen. So I'm gonna be aggressively looking for long opportunities here. And I think that's, we need Bitcoin, gold, we did that. We have coffee. Obviously, I still have my long-term positions short coffee. My trade is looking like this right now. So if you're watching my video and you are a free subscriber, a paid subscriber or whatever, but if you're not paying me at all, this is what it looks like, the trade I sent to my paid subscribers. Now you see the live price action of it, although it's delayed data on coffee, because I haven't paid for the live data for this, because I don't really want it or need it at this point. But I have other ways to get live data, but that's another story. But yeah, this is my coffee trade, and stop loss is moved to here. So these videos will not always be free. Sometimes they're free. And I know it takes some effort for people to watch these videos. So if you're watching them, then I think your effort is worth seeing this. And stock market, you know, I've been bullish, and it's still bullish, and I am long. So there you go. And here we are. I'm long on NASDAQ. I do think it could come up to go down. So we are keeping that in mind here. I don't know how far up it needs to go, but definitely I think it could be bearish, but I think we are gonna get analysis video up and running before that. So all of this Trump stuff has been a little interesting, because we had a nice volatility here on the Trump day. And personally, I just think that I've made an entire section about this in the founder video. So if you're a founder, I will explain all the details for how and why you should or should not trade this. So check that out if you want. But I think we're gonna have a very volatile year here with Trump, and it's risky. And so there's that. We have some news later today, so I'm watching USD CAD. Where is that? I have USD CAD somewhere. Here. So I've talked about this with Trump, and I talked about this in the founder video as well, but I think we might have a Forex black swan risk where USD CAD can just explode higher. It is not something I personally want to speculate in, but I'm just keeping that in mind that Trump says things about Canada, and if he says something, or even worse, he does something, this thing could explode in a matter of hours, days, or weeks, or just even an hour. It could explode 10-20% higher here. So, which would look like this, 10%, 10%, 20%. Like we could see a massive move. Maybe Trump, he manages to get a part of Canada. Like that this would completely destroy the Canadian dollar. And obviously Trudeau is out of Canada, so it's not going to be that simple. Trudeau was obviously very bad for Canada, but for many reasons. But to me, it just looks like this could explode higher. So I'm kind of keeping that in mind, but this is not something I want to speculate on with the blog in mind. I mean, maybe I will at some point if we get down here again, but otherwise, no. That's it. Quick video update and what was been going on. And as you guys can see, I nailed oil, and let's see if I nail everything else. So cheers! I was watching gold, by the way. I thought that we could be seeing some down moves here, but I'm not liking it relative to the spot market. And I talked about that in the founder video, so I don't really want to cover it here. But I think short term, I had some other old trades there. Short term, I think this could come lower before it goes higher. So I just want to say that. Good, I am out. Cheers.